Nantucket is a beautiful island. It's why so many people come from far and wide to spend time here. And we're about to show you some of the most incredible properties this island has to offer.
Located in the heart of the cliff area of Nantucket, this is a truly special property. A beautiful kitchen, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath, 2 separate living areas. This is one Derrymore.
Planning to entertain while you're on Nantucket? You have an outdoor kitchen, outdoor dining with TV. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Your pool, hot tub, and fire pit. So if you're looking to come here, relax by the pool, and vacation on Nantucket, call me today and book this phenomenal property.